ये बेयरिंग पेडस्ट्री में एम्बेड होगा।
इंडेड हो जाएगा, इसके लिए बेयरिंग फिक्स होगी। इंडिया में फर्स्ट वीडियो बना रहे हैं तो मैं बता दूं,
हाँ,
ये जो बेयरिंग यूज़ होनी है पेंडुलम बेयरिंग, ये इंडिया में
फ्रिक्शन पेंडुलम बेयरिंग।
फ्रिक्शन पेंडुलम बेयरिंग ये इंडिया में फर्स्ट टाइम यूज हो रही है।
अच्छा
और इसका पर्पस सीस्मिक जोन एरियाज में होता है बेसिकली।
अच्छा, जो ये जोन 5 है इसलिए
जी,
ये दोनों पेट के बीच में ये आएगा फ्रिक्शन पेंडुलम बेयरिंग। चलिए, अभी हमको गाइड करते हुए हमारे इंजीनियर साहब गौरव जी।
संभाल के आइएगा, यहाँ थोड़ा सा ये अनसेफ एक्टिविटी है।
चलिए,
गौरव यहाँ का भी बताओ भाई कि ये टोटल एक पियर पे 4 बियरिंग है। एक बियरिंग ये यहाँ पर है, ये बीच में ये टेम्पोररी ब्लॉक पेडल्स हैं और उन दोनों टेम्पोररी ब्लॉक पेडल्स के बीच में 2 बियरिंग, एक बियरिंग इधर अपस्ट्रीम साइड में और एक बियरिंग डाउन स्ट्रीम साइड में, ऐसे करके टोटल 4 फ्रिक्शन पेंडुलम बियरिंग है, वो एक पियर पे लोकेटेड है। ऐसे ही 6 पियर पे 4 into 24 total friction of pendulum bearing we are providing in this project also.
thank
And
you
this
sir.
friction pendulum bearing basically we are providing in the highly seismic zone area, because this area is laying in zone 5. That's why we are having we opted this option friction pendulum bearing. Please
Okay.
proceed. Now we are moving towards deck of the our project. And now again we will move for pylon.
Okay.
Pylon, now today we are going to finalize the
फाइनल लिफ्ट ऑफ पाइलन।
Okay. Let's move.
Be careful on this side.
Yeah.
आराम से
Sir, could you please explain that?
Yeah, these are kind of bridge builders. These bridge builders we are lifting generally these precast segments. These segments we are casting in our casting yard, which is almost 1 kilometer away from this location. And from that location just we are preparing all the preliminary activities, and which we already listed out in our checklist, like how we have to prepare, and preliminary checking of the segments we have to do at the dispatch point. Then after that, once we will clear this precast segment, then after that we will shift this precast segment. The having of load is around 180 or 185 ton. We will transport with the multi-axle puller, or we can say multi-axle loader or trailer. Then once it will reach here, then we will shift with the overhead gantry with the self-propelled barge. With the help of self-propelled barge, we will bring it just at the bottom of the bridge builder, and we will lift it with the bridge builder. Then after that, subsequently we will follow the other activities also, like lifting of segment, and then dry matching, then gluing, then stressing, grouting. All the activities are subsequently we are following for finalization of the and meantime the main important activity is the survey. Our consultant survey engineers, as well as the our contractor survey engineers, at every stage we are checking the survey, so that there will be no chances at all for any even a single error. So that's why we can ensure the profile of the project, of the bridge.
Okay.
And so that the span, when it will be connected, then there will be a required profile which is provided by the designer.
Okay. Sir, could you explain the function of that?
Yeah, actually that will be explained by my colleague Mr. Gaurav Srivastav.
Please explain. What is the function of that?
The pylon is the main segment of this structure.
Okay.
It will be capable for giving extra support to lift
That is why it is called Exados bridge.
That's why we called it
Exados cable set bridge.
bridge.
Okay.
Because most of the pressure has been the load has been bear by the segments and the cable state, and then the extra dose has been given for the external supports,
Okay.
which can be capable to protect the whole
Okay.
bridge.
May I know what is the height of that pylon?
It's approx 30.2 meters.
On each side of the pylon, and we are having 6 pylons, so 6 into 2 into 11, so total 132 number of cables we are laying in this project only.
Okay.
You got my point?
Yeah.
And with the actually later on in my next
Video.
next part or next video,
Okay.
remaining portion I'll explain you in detail.
Okay.
How we will install and what will be the function of the
Okay.
stray cable in my next video. Please you get my video.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay, okay.
Bye.
Okay, guys, this is the end of our video.
Yeah.
Uh,
You can put
yeah.
it like.
So in our next video, we will show the rest of the things, how the bridge will be constructed. And for that time, thank you very much.